For those who don't know me, my name is Bonita Murungi, Treasure Arinaitwe. Yes, I know I have a lot of names. But anyways, I am a Form 4 student from Namisunsa Girls School. And I happen to be a poet, an author, and environmental advocate. But on this particular day, one of the things that I'm going to uptake is my poetry side. So, I have a special poem for you guys. I hope you guys like it. So when I say society, you guys are going to say yes, okay? Yes. So let's try that so that during the poem, you guys can, help me out, okay? Society.
Yes.
Society.
Yes.
Okay. We're ready. Society.
Yes.
What do you want from me? Aren't you tired of breaking my back and bones? I am honestly quaking. Because in order for me to be the perfect woman, I have to smile and be silent. Seen and not heard, I have to be beautifully beautiful by paying attention to your idiotic laws. Society.
Yes.
Society.
Yes.
Are you getting tired of breaking men and women and making them conform to your standards that men should not cry? If you are to be a man, then you should know that the only way for you to be a man is to be strong. You have to take care of your household. You must show no emotion because emotion is for females and that is being weak. Society.
Yes.
Society.
Yes.
Are you tired of me here listening to what you want me to be in order for you to be happy? Is being a girl something that I shouldn't have chosen? But what am I supposed to do when I didn't even ask for this society?
Yes.
What are boys supposed to do? If they grow up listening to role models that are cool and tough, being playboys, being play toys? Society.
Yes.
Help me make sense of it. You see, I am only 17 and I am still trying to grow in this world that's supposed to be clean, where there is opportunity for girls like me. Girls are encouraged to apply, so feel free. Society.
Yes.
Where is this freedom that you talk about? If men are so used to telling chauvinistic jokes that these things are what women do, and women are used to allowing to be told these jokes. No. Those things are for girls. You see for them they cry. You see for them they what? Society.
Yes.
We are tired. We are tired of listening to what you want us to do and what you want us to become. You see, depression is into on and off relationships, but only when it's with me. He likes it when I cry on my bed at night, hoping that no one sees through this happy girl facade. And some nights he likes to embrace me and he likes to tell me things that I don't want to hear. So when he tells me that I am worthless, I let his words wash over me. He likes to do this thing where he makes love with my mind and convinces me with the prettiest lies that you, my child, are worthless. Society.
Yes.
Society, are you depressed like me? Because I assumed that if you were, then you would know how it feels to be put on the sidelines, to be born against a world that doesn't even want you. Society, are you listening?
Yes.
Society, you just don't understand, do you? Only thing that you are saying is yes and yes and yes, and after this there's going to be a repeat of what I do not want to hear. Another girl on the street being victimized. Oh, Nyabo, You are looking very fine today, society. These are the things that I'm tired of saying, society.
Yes.
Are you tired of saying yes?